Now, you might be looking for a way, or you're just wondering how do you exactly operate a TCL flip phone. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here, or you want to set up first. So, first is you want to power your phone on and off. Now, to turn it on, press and hold the power or the end or power key until you see the TCL logo. Now, turn it off. Basically, to turn it off, you want to press and hold the same key until the power off or restart menu actually appears. Then you just need to confirm it. Now, from here on, if you want to start operating or you start using your phone here, you need to insert or you need to swap the SIM inside it. Now, when you open the back cover, usually by lifting a corner and remove the battery if needed, insert the nano SIM and or micro SIM here or SIM card into their slots, so contacts facing down, so you should see like the golden parts or the shiny parts, so you need to make sure that they are actually meeting or they are actually in contact with each other when you insert it. So yeah, from then on you could just reinstall the battery and basically add reinsert the cover. Now, once you have this powered on, you have a home and idle screen. Now, use the navigation keys, so up, down, left, or right, to scroll menus, or the center OK to confirm their selection. Now, the soft keys left and right below the screen perform the current on-screen actions. And also to make calls here, you want to open up the phone, use the keypad or contacts to enter the number, and press the call key to answer, or press the call key when the phone rings. To reject, use the end key. To finish a call, use the end key again. Now, next is if you want to send a text message. Now, open the messages from the menu. From then on, choose new message and select a contact or enter a number. Type your message until the keypad then sends. Then from now on, you can go and just send it. Now, you can switch text input modes here. You have ABC, ABS, capital caps, small letters, and also have like number options here using a key or a D navigation menu. Now, from then on, you can use the volume up and down keys, usually on the side, to adjust the sound. Now, in settings, you can modify display ringtone, network, Bluetooth if supported, and more. Some TCL flip phones also have a quick dial button. You can assign a contact to one press calling here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.